Lenses are pieces of curved glass or some transparent material, and they bend light to create images. Lenses are commonly found in cameras, eyeglasses, microscopes, and telescopes. The formation of an image by lens is understood with the help of lens formula, a mathematical expression that relates the object distance, image distance, and focal length of a lens. In this article, we shall derive the lens formula step by step using simple ray diagrams and basic geometry, all for the benefit of simple to understand concept for students and for application to numerical problems. What is a lens? The lens is a transparent object that may be made of glass or plastic, and it bends or refracts light rays to create images. These are lenses with curved surfaces that primarily use the principle of refraction. Lenses are found in eyeglasses, cameras, microscopes, and magnifying glasses. Lenses are based on two basic types: convex lens, concave lens. Convex is converging lens. Concave lens is diverging lens. Converging lens thicker in the middle. Diverging lens is thinner in middle. Lens is divided in two types depending on how the light rays behave when they travel through the lens. These are further divided into the following types: biconvex, equiconvex, plano-convex, concavo-convex, biconcave, equiconcave, plano-concave, convexo-concave. Concave means உள்நோக்கி வளைஞ்சிருக்கிறது. கான்வெக்ஸ்ங்கிறது கான்வெக்ஸ்னா வெளிப்பக்கம் குவிந்திருக்கிறது. குழியா இருக்கிறது கான்கேவ், குவிந்து இருக்கிறது கான்வெக்ஸ். Glass types: float glass, toughened glass, tinted glass, obscured glass, laminated glass, mirrored glass, low E glass, coated glass. Glass, what is it? High degree of light transmission, range of colors available, can be created in different different opacities. Why is it used? As the most basic type of glass, there is float glass is a starting material used when processing to create laminated, toughened and coated glass. It is available in variety of size and thickness and is used in the glass cutting process so it can be cut to exact size required for the application. Mirrored glass. Mirrored glass means what is it? A metal coating is applied to one side of the glass and sealed with a protective layer for a mirrored effect. Why is it used? Aesthetic and interior design purposes can create the illusion of a longer space. Regular day-to-day life for mirror used in house itself. Double glassing coated 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 glasses. Two pans of glass with a space in the middle to insulate the unit. Surface coating can be applied which alters the appearance and make the surface more scratch resistant. Generally only used as a double glassed unit as this is where it is most effective. Improve thermal insulation summer and winter. Option to have an argon gas filling and a warm edge spacer bar added which will contribute a better energy rating. Prism in optics, a piece of glass or other transparent material cut with precise angles and plan plane surfaces useful for analyzing and reflecting light. An ordinary triangular prism can separate white light into its constituent colors called a spectrum. Each color or wavelength making up the white light is bent or refracted a different amount. The shorter wavelength, those towards the violet end of the spectrum, or the bend the most and longer wavelengths, shorter wavelength towards violet, longer wavelength toward the red end of the spectrum. Prism of kind are used in certain spectroscope instruments for analyzing light and for determining the identity and structure of material that emit or absorb light. Prism can reverse the direction of light by internal reflection and for this purpose, they are useful in binoculars. Prism are made in many different form and shape depending on the application. Reflection of light through a prism. White light entering a prism is bent or refracted, and light separate into its constituent wavelength through a prism in the same order: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.